So we will start a new topic. Write down. Start a new topic, that is write a difference between natural rubber. Write a difference between natural rubber and vulcanized rubber. So natural rubber, and here I can write down vulcanized rubber. What can be the first point? The difference between the natural rubber and vulcanized rubber. Natural rubber is soft, yes or no? Natural rubber is soft and smooth, whereas vulcanized rubber is hard. Write down. So natural rubber, it is soft and sticky in nature. It is hard. Write down. And non-sticky. It is hard and non-sticky. Write down. This is naturally occurring substance, yes or no? And this is man-made, or it is a made in the industry. So write down. It is a man-made natural rubber. In natural rubber, you write down, it is naturally occurring substance. Naturally occurring substance. Synthesized substance. Synthesized. Synthesized means made in industry, or synthesized means produced. Yes or no? So synthesized in industry, or synthesized rubber. Synthesized rubber. Write down. Natural rubber, it has a low elasticity. In natural rubber, you can write down, it has a low elasticity. Yes or no? Natural rubber has a low elasticity. मतलब તમે એને ખેંચો તો તરત શું થઈ જશે? તૂટી જશે. So it has a low elasticity. There, it is a high elasticity. Write down. Written. It is used in natural rubber. Write down. It is used over a temperature range of 10 degree to 60 degree Celsius. Please remember this. It is used over a range of 10 degree to 60 degree Celsius. Means what? Means I can use this natural rubber between this temperature only. If the natural rubber goes below this temperature, it will become brittle, and if it goes above 60 degree, it will become soft and will get melt. So write down the appreciable range or working temperature range of natural rubber is 10 degree to 60 degree Celsius. Here you can write down minus 40 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius. The temperature range of vulcanized rubber is minus 40 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius. Clear? Which can be easily teared. जल्दी कौन बगड़ी जैसे? नेचुरल रबर के वल्कुनाइज रबर? नेचुरल रबर जल्दी बगड़ी जैसे. मतलब एनु जे वियर અને ટીયર इंग्लिश નો વર્ડ છે. વિયર અને ટીયર मतलब બગડવું. તો કોણ ઇઝીલી બગડી જશે? ના, તો એને લો વિયર અને ટીયર છે ને હાઈ વિયર અને ટીયર. રાઈટ ડાઉન. It has a low wear and tear resistance. Low wear and tear resistance. A low wear and tear resistance. It has a high wear and tear resistance. Now what was another one problem with natural rubber? One more problem. One more problem છે. What is another one more problem with rubber? It is soluble in organic solvent. ત્રણ ચાર પ્રોબ્લેમ લખાવ્યા હતા કે એની ડબલ બોન્ડ છે, હા કે ના, મોર રિએક્ટિવ છે. હજી એ પ્રોબ્લેમ હતો કે એના પર કેમિકલનો અટેક થાય છે. Yes or no? Write down. Natural rubber. It is soluble in certain organic solvent. It is soluble in certain solvent like ether, carbon tetrachloride, etc. मतलब certain chemical मा natural rubber it's soluble, whereas vulcanized rubber it's not soluble. રસ્તા ઉપર તો ઘણી બધી વસ્તુ હોય છે. યસ નો? On the road side we have petrol, we have kerosene, we have number of things are there on the road side. When trucks, cars, bikes are moving, the tire are not getting dissolved in that. The reason is vulcanized rubber are non-soluble. Right on. Vulcanized rubber, it is insoluble in all common solvents. It is insoluble in all common solvents. Okay. Now write down. Next topic. So last topic. See, make a column. Open a fresh page and make a column. In the first column, write down name of polymer. Name of polymer. Then you can write down monomer. Then you can write down nature of polymer. Nature of polymer. If you remember this table, whole chapter is covered in one table. Just to remember for NEET exam, just one table. In this table only is a shortcut key. So maintain very good. Okay. So nature of polymer and write down last uses. Write down first. In the write down first. Polythene. Polythene or polyethylene. First, polythene. Yes or no? Or polyethylene. Another name is also polyolefins. You know, because alkene are also known as olefins. Yes or no? Polyolefins. Yes or no? निंदर में जो भाई तो वांधा नहीं. तो polythene और polyethylene और olefins मतलब alkene ने olefins कहवाय. Clear? What can be the monomer? Monomer कौन हसे polythene नो? Ethylene એટલે ethene. Write down ethene. निंदर में वो तो उठी जे जो भाई सब अवे. Ethene. This is monomer. Yes or no? Nature of polymer क्या पूछे? So write down LDP, low density polymer. याद छे के नहीं? एक LDP ने एक HDP. हाँ क्या ना? एनो uses શું હશે ભાઈ? What can be the uses of polythene? Plastic bag, carrying bags. Yes or no? Write down uses ma. Carrying bags, insulator of wires are used. This is polythene. Insulator of wires. So uses ma लखो. Carry bags, packing material, insulator of cable wires, etc. Okay. Next, write down polypropylene, another polymer. Polypropylene. Poly, it is also called as a PP. What can be the monomer beta? Polypropylene. Huh? Jo beta, what is the homopolymer, name of a polymer? How to name the polymer of a homopolymer? Poly plus name of the monomer. એટલે poly plus something આવે means it is a homopolymer. તો poly પછીની જે બી વસ્તુ હોય એનો monomer છે. So polypropylene. Propylene. Write down propylene. Propylene means what beta? Propylene. Propylene means what? C. This is propylene. Clear? Chalo. CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. This is very important to remember. Polypropylene. Nature, what can be the nature? I can say homopolymer. Why homopolymer? This is also one kind of a homopolymer only. Why homopolymer? Because always there is one monomer which is forming a chain to form a polymer. Yes or no? So write down homopolymer. Then write down application. Uses, write down. Formation of carpet, automobile moldings, bottles, etc. Bottles, etc. Ready? Third, polystyrene. This I have done somewhere. Polystyrene. What can be the monomer for it? Styrene. Good. Styrene. Styrene formula is this. Benzene ring. See, this is styrene. If you have seen my video, previous classes video, you can see there. Okay, styrene. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is styrene. Styrene. Clear? What can be the nature of polymer? Homopolymer. Write down homopolymer. Uses, write down. Plastic toys, television and radio bodies, television and radio bodies, bodies of refrigerator and washing machine, etc. Bodies of refrigerator and washing machine. Clear? Uses are not so important. Monomers and polymers are important. Clear? Next, write down polyvinyl chloride. Fourth, write down polyvinyl chloride. This is also called as a PVC. What can be the monomer of it? Vinyl chloride. So see the structure of vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride. CCCl. This is vinyl chloride. Okay? And double bond, huh? Double bond. C double bond C Cl. Vinyl chloride. Now count the hydrogen remaining bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is vinyl chloride. Type. Nature. Homopolymer. Homopolymer. Thermoplastic. This can be also nature, no? Thermoplastic. PVC is one kind of a thermoplastic. So nature you write down homopolymer, thermoplastic. In nature you write down homopolymer, thermoplastic. Yes or no? Done? What can be the uses? Making the pipes. Write down. Only pipe. Good. Making pipes, raincoats, shoes, shoes na soles. Yes or no? How many of you are wearing that tennis shoes? Tennis na shoes aave chhe na? You are wearing nowadays. Even I am wearing tennis shoes. So below that sole, if you will see, it will be black color, very soft. So that is nothing but made up of PVC. Okay. Next, write down polytetrafluoroethylene. Polytetrafluoroethylene, or it is also called as beta. Anyone can tell? Polytetrafluoroethylene. It is also called as. Just now only I have done in the video. Polytetrafluoroethylene. This is also called as PTFE. Teflon. It is also called as Teflon. Shortcut is PTFE. Okay, what can be the monomer? Tetrafluoroethylene means C double bond C. So ethylene and remaining 2 position tetrafluoro means 4 fluorine should be there. So this is the formula C2F2, C2F4. Are you understanding or not? This is the monomer. Remember, the monomer is very important. Huh? Remembering the monomer is very important of a certain polymer. Sometime if homopolymer is asked, then you can easily, if poly is written, you can easily tell the monomer. But sometime copolymer, so name will be completely different from their monomer. So write down here, this is polytetrafluoroethylene. Write down polymer. In that you write down homopolymer. Nature you write down homopolymer. And you write down high melting point. High melting point. High melting point. Yes or no? What is the main use? Teflon. Main use of Teflon. It is used in utensils as a non-stick cookware. Write down. It is used as a used in a utensils for non-stick cookware. For non-stick cookware. For non-stick cookware. Write down. Polymethyl. Sixth, write down, sixth. Polymethyl methaacrylate. Polymethyl methaacrylate. Polymethyl methaacrylate. It is also called as a PMMA. Also called as a plexiglass. Plexiglass. Plexiglass or perspex. All the name are same. Shortcut is PMMA. Write down, it is very important. So what we call monomer? Methyl methaacrylate. See the formula. CH2 double bond C, CH3, COOCH3. Please write down this. This is number of time it has been asked. What is the full form of PMMA? Polymethyl methaacrylate, plexiglass or perspex. One and same. Okay. So what is the nature? Homopolymer. What is the use? What is the use? What can be the use? You are wearing daily. It is used in making the lenses. It is used in making the lenses, signboards, transparent domes of aircraft, transparent dome of skylight aircraft, windows of aircraft, dentures, dentures मतलब खोटो दांत, dentures and plastic jewelry, and plastic jewelry. Okay, whatever I have done in the class, that I will not mention here. Which I have not done, that only I will mention here. Okay, write down next. Nylon 610. Nylon 610. Nylon 610. Write down monomer. Before going to the monomer, please tell me nature. Copolymer. Yes or no? Why? By seeing the name only, why I can say it is a copolymer? Because what is the specific of a homopolymer? 99% cases, the name of a polymer of a homopolymer starts with poly plus name of the monomer. But if the name is completely different as compared to their monomer, so it will be guaranteed copolymer. So write down here monomer. Monomer, write down hexamethylene diamine, hexamethylene diamine, hexamethylene diamine, and sebacic acid. and sebacic acid. Write down first. Write down sebacic acid. COOH CH2 8 COOH. Clear? Hexamethylene diamine. See, hexamethylene diamine means CH2. This is methylene 6 times and diamine NH2 NH2. Now see better, totally how many carbon are there? Sorry, totally how many carbon are there? Here, see, 10. Here, 6, 10. Understood? Write down this. Hexamethylene diamine and sebacic acid. Write down copolymer, thermoplastic, abrasion resistant. Write down in the nature of polymer, thermoplastic, thermoplastic, abrasion resistant. Abrasion resistant means it will not get abrased. Abrased मतलब it is, you know, brush we are using for washing the clothes. ઘસવાથી તૂટશે નહીં, ઘસારો એના ઉપર લાગશે નહીં, ઘસાડો. અને અબ્રશ એને શું કહેવાય? ઘસાડો. તો આપણે બ્રશને શું કરીએ છીએ? તો કેટલી ટાઈપના બ્રશ આવે છે? એક કપડાં ધોવાનું આવે છે જેમાં એકદમ જે એના જે ટીથ હોય એકદમ સોફ્ટ હોય. બીજા ઘણા બી બ્રશ આવે, આપણે બી બ્રશ કરીએ છીએ. તો ઇટ ઇઝ યુઝ ઇન અ બ્રશિંગ એક્શન. રાઇટ ડાઉન એનો યુઝ લખો. It is used as bristles for brushes. Bristles matlab teeth. It is used as a bristles, BRISTLES. It is used as a bristles for brushes. It is used as a bearing and gears. It is used as a substitute of bearing and gears. See, sometimes when you are going to the if your bike is getting somewhat damaged, then you are going where? Mechanic shop. Mechanic shop કહેશે કે ભાઈ એક બે ટાઈપ કંઈ પાર્ટ હોય ને, પાર્ટ બે ટાઈપનું આવતું હશે. એક કહેશે કે ભાઈ એક પ્લાસ્ટિકનું આવશે ને એક લોખંડનું, એક સ્ટીલનું આવશે, એસએસનું આવશે. તમને ક્યું નખાવો? તમે કે ભાઈ સસ્તું પડે નાખી દો. તો પ્લાસ્ટિકનું કે આવે છે, તમને ખબર હોય તો એકદમ હાર્ડ પ્લાસ્ટિક. કારણ કે ચેનનો કવર હોય છે, તો ચેનનો કવર પ્લાસ્ટિકનો બી આવે ને ચેનનો કવર સ્ટીલનો બી આવે છે. તો એ જગ્યાએ યુઝ થાય છે. કોણ? ક્લિયર? રાઈટ. નેક્સ્ટ. નાવ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ હો. રાઈટ. પોલીસલ્ફાઇડ રબર. આ ઘણીમાં પૂછવાનું છે, જે કરાવું છું ઘણીમાં પૂછવાનું છે. It has been asked many years. Polysulfide rubber. Polysulfide rubber. Or in the bracket you can write down thiocol. Thiocol. આ thiocol યાદ રાખવાનું છે. Thiocol. Write down. Monomer. ના. પોલીસલ્ફાઇડ રબર એન્ડ થાયોકોલ. આપણને આ વર્ડ યાદ રાખવાનું, થાયોકોલ. મોનોમર લખો. ઇથાઇલિન ડાયક્લોરાઇડ, ઇથાઇલિન ડાયક્લોરાઇડ એન્ડ સોડિયમ ટેટ્રાસલ્ફાઇડ, એન્ડ સોડિયમ ટેટ્રાસલ્ફાઇડ. ઇથાઇલિન ડાયક્લોરાઇડ એન્ડ સોડિયમ ટેટ્રાસલ્ફાઇડ. ઇથાઇલિન ડાયક્લોરાઇડ એન્ડ સોડિયમ ટેટ્રાસલ્ફાઇડ. Here, sodium ethylene dichloride. So 2 carbon and dichloride. Okay? Ethylene dichloride. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is nothing but your ethylene dichloride and sodium sodium tetrasulfide, Na2S4. Write down this. Clear? Write down. Please remember thiocol, ethylene dichloride and sodium tetrasulfide. Upcoming NEET test માં બધા ક્વેશ્ચન એવા હશે, મોનોમર કોણ છે કે કોણ પોલિમર છે. So write down next uses. Nature you can write down. Tell me. જો ક્યાંથી હોમો છે? બધામાં ના હોય. પોલીસલ્ફાઇડ રબર, સલ્ફાઇડ રબર આને કહેવાય. મોનોમર તો બે અલગ થઈ ગયા ને. એક છે મોનોમર કે બે છે મોનોમર? What is the definition of homopolymer? Same type of monomer combined together to form a polymer. What is the definition of a copolymer? Different type of monomer or more than one type of a monomer combined together to form a polymer. પણ એનું અલગથી ખાલી નામ આપ્યું છે પોલીસલ્ફાઇડ રબર, એટલે આમાં ઓલા નામથી નથી જોવાનું કે ભાઈ એનું નામ પોલી છે, એટલે જોવાનું તો શું છે ભાઈ? મોનોમર્સ. હાઉ મેની મોનોમર્સ આર ધેર? Two. What do you write down? Copolymer. Write down uses. It is used in manufacturing of hoses, engine gasket. જો હવે લખાવું ને અંડરલાઈન કરજો. રોકેટ fuel. Thiocol is used as a rocket fuel. Please remember, which of the following polymer can be used as a rocket fuel? લાઈનને સ્ટાર માર્ક કરો. અગર પૂછાશે તો આ પૂછાશે, બાકી બધા કાંઈ કોઈ પૂછી ન શકે ને આ પૂછાય પહેલા. થાયોકોલ. પ્લીઝ રિમેમ્બર ધીસ. નેક્સ્ટ polyurethane. Urethane. Polyurethane rubber. Write down. Ethylene glycol and ethylene diisocyanate or cyanate, sorry. Ethylene glycol or ethylene diisocyanate. Clear? Ethylene glycol we will see, or ethane 1,2-diol કહેવાય ethylene glycol. And next is ethylene diisocyanate. See, ethylene diisocyanate. C double bond C, ethylene. Now it is diisocyanate. Isocyanate means CNO, ONC. Isocyanate. एक तो cyanate, एक तो cyanide CN, isocyanate NC, cyanate CNO, isocyanate ONC. याद છે કે નહીં કઈ? क्या? कोऑर्डिनेशन केमिस्ट्री. सो राइट डाउन isocyanate तो NCO. बॉन्डिंग પછી કરશું. Now oxygen should have how many bond? Oxygen should have how many bond? 2. And carbon should have how many bond? 4. See here first. Oxygen ના કેટલા બોન્ડ હોવા જોઈએ? છે 2. કાર્બન ના કેટલા બોન્ડ હોવા જોઈએ? નાઇટ્રોજન કેટલા બોન્ડિંગ કરે? તો થઈ ગયા. રેડી? ઓક્સિજન કેટલા બોન્ડ હોવા જોઈએ? કાર્બન ના કેટલા બોન્ડ હોવા જોઈએ? તો કાર્બન ના 4, ઓક્સિજન ના કેટલા? નાઇટ્રોજન ના કેટલા હોવા જોઈએ? Remaining position filled by hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write on this. Clear? Now next, uses. Manufacture of paint, fiber. It is used in a manufacture of paint, fiber, and heat insulator. હે? હા, ઇથિલિન ગ્લાયકોલ ગ્લિપ્ટલમાં આવે. ઇથિલિન ગ્લાયકોલ હજી એકમાં આવે. કેમાં આવે? ઇથાઇલિન ગ્લાયકોલ. ત્યારે કીધું આ ડિફરન્સ છે. એક બનાવ્યું છે ગ્લિપ્ટન, એની પહેલાં કયો બનાવ્યો? એક ફેબ્રિક બનાવ્યો હતો ડેક્રોન, ટેરાલીન, polyester. So in there, what is the basic difference between Gliptal and polyester? The basic difference between them is, in Gliptal the monomers are benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid and ethylene glycol, and there the monomers are in terylene dacrol, ethylene glycol and benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid. तो ethylene glycol तो घनी जगह आवशे, हजी आवशे आगर. हेलो नेक्स्ट, डन दिस. चलो नेक्स्ट लखो. पोली मोनो क्लोरो ट्राई पोली मोनो क्लोरो ट्राई फ्लूरो इथाइलिन. पोली मोनो क्लोरो ट्राई फ्लूरो इथाइलिन. शॉर्टकट जो लियो, पोली पछी मोनो क्लोरो ट्राई फ्लूरो इथाइलिन. आ नाम है पॉलीमरનું PCTFE. રેડોન જેવી રીતના PVC મળ્યું, એક PMMA મળ્યું, PP મળ્યું, PCTFE. આ એબ્રિવિએશન યાદ રાખવું જરૂરી છે. પોલી મોનો ક્લોરો ટ્રાઈ ફ્લુરો ઇથાઇલિન. રેડોન. What can be the monomer of it? What can be the monomer of it? मोनोक्लोरो ट्राई फ्लूरो इथाइलिन. इथाइलिन मतलब कितना कार्बन? 2 कार्बन. विच विच बॉन्ड? डबल बॉन्ड. चलो इथाइलिन. हाउ मेनी इथाइलिन? ट्राई फ्लूरो इथाइलिन. हाउ मेनी? ट्राई मतलब 3 फ्लोरीन. सो 1 2 3 4. yes or no? 1 2 3. so ट्राई फ्लूरो. how many chlorine? Mono means 1. This is the monomer formula. This is known as a mono chloro tri fluoro ethylene. Okay, or I can write down here as CClF CF2. Better tell me. I don't know, homopolymer. What the name? Our name केना जो similar लागे छे? PTFE means what? PTFE means yes. Means hey, what is the common industrial name? Teflon. So the property is similar to the Teflon. Radon. PCTFE radon uses. Its property is similar to the Teflon but less resistant than Teflon. And low quality of Teflon, duplicate Teflon. That is nothing but PCTFE. Clear? So radon. It is similar to the Teflon. It is similar to that of a Teflon but less resistant than Teflon towards heat and chemical. Towards heat and chemical. Less resistance मतलब જેટલું ટેફલોન હીટને ને કેમિકલને રોકી શકે છે એટલું PCTFE નથી રોકી શકતું. કેના કારણે? what can be the reason? Good, due to presence of chlorine atoms. See here, in polytetrafluoroethylene there are 4 fluorine. હવે એક ફ્લોરિન ક્યાંથી રિપ્લેસ થઈ ગયું છે? તો સિમિલર પ્રોપર્ટી આવે છે કેના જેવી? ટેફલોન જેવી. પણ જેટલું ટેફલોન કામ કરી શકે એટલું કામ કરી શકતું શું રીઝન હોઈ શકે? આપણે સ્ટ્રક્ચર ચેન્જ કર્યો. સ્ટ્રક્ચરમાં શું એન્ટર કર્યું છે? ક્લોરીન. તો આ જે ચેન્જીસ આવે છે કેના કારણે આવે છે? ક્લોરીન. ડ્યુ ટુ ક્લોરીન. રાઈટ ડાઉન. રેડી? Done? Clear? Next around. Polyhydroxybutyrate. 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 BUTYRATE, butyrate. Shortcut is PHB. Important. PHB. Another monomer. 3-hydroxybutyric acid. 3-hydroxybutyric acid. So the name indicates how many carbon? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is an acid. So carboxylic acid carbon should be counted. And how many, at what position hydroxy should be placed? 3. So we will start from here numbering or here numbering? From COH. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3-hydroxybutyric acid. Clear? If this wants to form a polymer, how it can form the polymer? Anyone can suggest? What will happen? અહીંથી વિચારો. ગુડ. OH માંથી OH કાઢી લેવાનું ને COH માંથી H. એટલે અસલમાં આના પહેલા બી બોર્ડ ઉપર એવું એક પોલિમર કરાવ્યું હતું. જો આને આમ લખી લેવાનું. એની ડાઉટ અગર હું આમ લખું તો ભાઈ વિચારો. જ્યારે પણ OH અને કોઈ પણ એક હોમોપોલિમર एक सिंगल मोनोमर जरा पॉलीमर बनावे, if any a single monomer forms a polymer and in that single monomer if you see OH and COOH, then guarantee the reactive side or polymerization site will be OH and COOH. Either you remove from here OH or H here or remove from H and OH here. So I can write down in this way or not? From here H or here from OH will be removed, from here H will be removed. What they will form? H2O. Which kind of polymerization? तो नेचर में हूँ लखसू कंडेंसेशन polymerization. And it is also one kind of a biodegradable polymer. Biodegradable polymer. What do you mean by biodegradable polymer? What do you mean by biodegradable polymer? Which get decomposed. Done? Clear? Next, write down. It is used in the packing materials of a medical device. Not required. Just remember the monomer. Monomer is important. Next, write down. PGA. Polyglycolic acid. Polyglycolic acid. Polyglycolic, GLYCOLIC. Polyglycolic acid. નિંદરમાં છો? મજામાં છો? હું છું કાંઈ થશે ને, ટેન્શન નહીં લેવાનું. તને જ કહું છું. લોકડાઉનમાં જાડો થઈ ગયો છો, હેન્ડસમ લાગે છે, જેકેટ બેકેટ ને. પોલીગ્લાયકોલિક એસિડ નિંદર કરે છે ભાઈ. હે ચાલો, પોલીગ્લાયકોલિક એસિડ. રેડન બેટા શું હશે મોનોમર? ગ્લાયકોલિક એસિડ. રેડન ગ્લાયકોલિક એસિડ મોનોમર. ફોર્મ્યુલા રાઇટ ડાઉન. Glycolic acid, see the formula. Which are the polymerization site? OH and COOH. અહીંયાથી H તો માંથી what type of polymer? Another biodegradable. Right on. Are you understanding or not? આજે આ important છે ત્રણ વસ્તુ. Done? Next, write down. Written, beta, and you can form polymer of yourself. Huh? And you can dash dash કરીને બધું આવડે ને. Next, write down. PLA, polylactic acid. Polylactic acid. PLA, polylactic acid. Monomer, lactic acid. That is the formula for lactic acid. This is the lactic acid. 2-hydroxybutanoic acid. 2-hydroxybutanoic acid is nothing but a what? Lactic acid. CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Chalo. Tell me, which kind of polymer? Why condensation? Where there is OH and COH, guarantee water will be removed and reactive side will be OH and COOH. And the H નીકળશે and the OH નીકળશે, polymerization થશે. ચલો condensation, polymerization. Done? Done. Last. Poly PCl. PCl. Not important. That's enough. Done? Okay. So write down the use. PGA and PLA, use write down separately somewhere. PGA and PLA. PGA means? PLA means? PGA and PLA is used to make absorbable structure for an internal wound. For an internal wound during surgery, which will heal the wound by absorbing within 15 days or 1 month. Okay? Clear? Last, a small topic you write down. Polydispersity index. New topic, huh? Polydispersity is not a name of a polymer. Again, name of polymer not the new topic. Polydispersity index. Polydispersity index. Write down. Or you can write down shortcut PDI. It is a ratio of weight average molecular mass. It is the ratio of weight average molecular mass MW by number average molecular mass Mn. This is nothing but your polydispersity index. MW by Mn bar. In certain books they are written here bar. If you write down also, don't write down also, it's okay. Okay? Polydispersity index is the ratio of MW bar by Mn bar. MW bar means what? W, weight average molecular mass. N means number average molecular mass. Average means what? Mean. Yes or no? Okay? So this much you remember. If you find out somewhere polydispersity index, this is PDI and the formula is MW bar by Mn bar. It can be asked in the MCQ for 1 mark in the class test. What is the polydispersity index? Ratio of MW bar or by Mn bar, not Mn bar by MW bar. Write down next. Write down. MW, if MW bar equal to Mn bar, MW bar equal to Mn bar, it is called as monodispersed polymer. If MW bar equal to Mn bar, તો PDI 1 થાય ને, તો કોઈનું અગર PDI 1 છે તો એને કહેવાય છે monodispersed polymer. So if PDI equal to 1, that is MW bar equal to Mn bar, it is called as a polydisperse polymer. Name છે એનું polydisperse સોરી મોનોડિસ્પર્સ પોલિમર, કેમ કે પીડીઆઈ 1 આવે છે. હવે લેસ ધેન 1 ના હોઈ શકે કોઈ દિવસ. પીડીઆઈ યા તો ઇક્વલ ટુ 1 યા તો ગ્રેટર ધેન 1. રાઈટ ડાઉન. ઇફ MW bar greater than MN bar, if MW bar greater than MN bar, if MW bar greater than MN bar, that is PDI is greater than 1. If MW bar greater than MN bar, if MW bar greater than MN bar, then PDI is greater than 1. PDI greater than 1. Then it is called as a polydisperse polymers. Then it is called as a polydisperse polymer. Okay. Next point, write down. If PDI equal to 1, next write down. PDI equal to 1, it is considered to be a natural polymer. If PDI equal to 1, it is considered to be a natural polymer. तो बेटा natural polymer क्या टाइप ना polymer થઈ ગયા? Monodisperse polymer. जो છે ऊपर PDI equal to 1, then it is a monodisperse polymer. હવે પાછું કહે છે કે PDI equal to 1, તો ये क्या polymer હશે હંમેશા? Natural polymer. So natural polymer is also called as a, and if PDI greater than 1, then they are not natural polymer, some other polymer. ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક કોઈ જરૂરત નથી, સમજવાની વાત છે. Clear this part? So that's it. Today's class, whatever I have done, polydispersity index, it's not important for the competition point of view. The things which I have written on the monomer, polymer, if you remember that much also, then that whole chapter 1 thing is completed. And just the previous classes, whatever I have done, especially the type of the polymer, synthetic polymer, semi-synthetic polymer, based on cross-link polymer, homopolymer, linear chain polymer, branch chain polymer, if you remember that much, it will come in your exam. That's it. Thank you.